Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I got some crusty old drill bits that I picked up at the Heritage Company. I'm going to try cleaning up the twist drill just to see what it does. The shank on this twist drill is in pretty rough shape. So I'm going to hit it with a rough wire wheel, see if I can get this crusty stuff knocked off. That cleaned up pretty well. These old tools were made out of much softer steel than the modern high-speed steel. And they were high carbon, so high carbon steel tends to rust away a lot faster. More carbon in the steel, the faster it eats away. But this drill bit's actually in pretty good shape. It's got a little kink to it. Pretty much just a situation where I sight down the shaft and see if I can see any wobble in the shank. Now, getting overly critical on whether it's absolutely perfectly straight is an exercise in futility, because the first time you crank on it, if you're drilling something, chances are you're going to bend it. Okay, we got it straight. Now the tip of the bit is in pretty good condition, but I got some pitting on the edge, so that's going to make it not cut well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it on the grindstone. There. Now I got a nice sharp edge on it. Let's try and see how it works. Pretty good. Well, this is one drill bit salvaged from the hall at Heritage Company. This will go in the rack, and if I ever need a drill bit, I'll have it. If you have any suggestions for a video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.